Hi, Dorothy Creamer here, Managing Editor for Hospitality Technology Magazine. We're here at the 19th Annual MURTEC Conference, and I'm standing here with Ted Stathakis, Director of Software Applications for Del Taco Restaurants. For the first time this year, MURTEC introduced our Arrival Day, Opening Day workshop sessions, and Ted was one of our intrepid leaders for a session on utilizing reporting. And Ted, maybe you can tell us a little bit about what you hope that the people that were in your session were going to take away.
There were three primary things I wanted people to see, and the attendees, for the most part, were unfamiliar with reporting services, which was perfect. I wanted them to see that it is a great underutilized tool that is relatively easy to use and essentially free if you own SQL Server reporting or Microsoft SQL Server products, or free, cheap if you just need to get a little bit of SQL Server. So those were the three primary objectives, and I think they were achieved.
Great. And what was some of the feedback you had? I know in particular you said that that your people were kind of new to this. What was the feedback from those people who had no knowledge of this before coming into it?
It was all very positive. Many of them were excited to see that there was a tool that they had in their toolbox today that they could go back and explore and fire up and get using, or extend beyond what the little bit they had been using it with so far.
Great, excellent to hear. And now for Del Taco, what are you guys looking to roll out in the future, or have you already started to implement that you're particularly excited about?
We're really looking forward to some catch-up in 2014, close some open projects, but we are looking at a learning management system implementation for this year. We've got labor scheduling, labor management taken care of. Now we want to look at learning management and onboarding to close that loop and tie all those together. So that's one of our project and initiatives for new technology this year.
Great. And you're returning to MURTEC after a few years of not having been here. What are you particularly excited about? What do you like about this conference that has brought you back?
It's been exciting to come back. It's been 5 or 6 years, I believe. It's wonderful to see how much it's grown, and at the same time retained the feature I've always liked is the relative intimacy, the ability to network with peers and really talk one-on-one. And I think the MURTEC University sessions really sealed that. In a small group session, we were able to interact and learn from each other very well. So I really like to see that it's retained that learn knowledge aspect to the conference.
Great, wonderful. Well, we're thrilled to have you back. Thank you so much for all your work, Ted. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me here.